A mindful chocolate meditation. Take one piece of chocolate of your choice and just hold it in your hand. Notice the weight of the chocolate in your hand. Also observe the shape and color. And as you unwrap it, listen to the crinkle of the foil or the wrapper. Touch it and feel the texture between your fingertips as you pick it up. And silently describe the chocolate to yourself. Is it dark, smooth, square? Notice the shape. Go ahead and roll it around in your hands and notice the sensations there. And bring the chocolate up to your nose and inhale deeply. Take a few deep breaths in and out, in and out. And follow the scent as it travels into your nose and to the back of your nostrils. Inhale and exhale deeply for the next few moments. Be aware of what is happening in your mind. Maybe it's some anticipation or longing. And let the thoughts come and go. And then place the chocolate in your mouth. As you begin to chew, observe the burst of flavor, the richness, the sweetness. Experience the taste. Pay attention to the texture changing and molding to your tongue as the chocolate breaks down in your mouth. Experience the chocolate fully and engulf yourself in the taste sensation. Hold on to the feeling as it begins to fade. Even as you are still eating this piece of chocolate, you might feel a desire, even an overwhelming urge, to quickly reach for another. See if you can relax and stay focused on what you're experiencing in this moment, rather than jumping forward and anticipating the next bit of flavor. Roll the chocolate around against the roof of your mouth, and also be aware of any feelings, sensations, or memories of your first bite of chocolate. Maybe it was a chocolate kiss or a bar with crunchy sweet almonds. Sometimes we feel guilty when we eat chocolate, or we believe a lot of shoulds or shouldn'ts about eating it. Don't try to push these emotions away. Just be present with the feelings and sensations. Focus all of your attention on the taste and texture. Listen to the sound of your jaw chewing the chocolate and feel the sensation as the chocolate slides down the back of your throat. Imagine the chocolate piece in your stomach. If you're experiencing a desire to have another, finish eating this piece of chocolate and only then reach for the next savor. If you don't pay attention fully, you can get lost in the craving.